I have destroyed Orochimaru. Next is... Suigetsu. Don't underestimate the Uchiha.
Mission start.
I need to set my game pieces up just right. First of all, Suigetsu. I'll take him.
You must have Lord Orochimaru's permission to proceed past this point. Leave!
Orochimaru is no more. You get what I mean?
It can't be. Sasuke, what did you do to Lord Orochimaru?
He'll never break the seal that's been set up ahead.
A seal that can only be opened by defeating all of us. You may be strong, but you'll never be able to take us all.
Don't make me laugh.
We must avenge Lord Orochimaru. Everyone, we must stop him no matter what!
Cute. Let's see you try.
Don't interfere!
Orochimaru is dead. Why do you fight?
We have sworn fealty to Lord Orochimaru.
Though we all may be lacking in power individually.
If we all take him at once, we can stop him!
Give him everything you got!
Fools. You have no idea just how outmatched you
Don't
are.
interfere!
Get out of my way.
You can repent for your murder of Lord Orochimaru in the afterlife!
No! The seal is...
All right.
Death to the traitor!
Taking on every member of the Sound Village was a bad idea.
Now that Orochimaru is gone, you're all just a herd of lost sheep.
After murdering Lord Orochimaru, what are you after next?
I'm after vengeance. That's all. I'm fighting mindless jutsu fodder. No surprise there.
No. This is... the end. No.
You cannot stop me. Stop resisting. Unlock the seal.
Don't underestimate me. I'm willing to die. Why did you kill Lord Orochimaru?
He was no longer necessary. That's all.
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
Rip you to pieces!
I'm fighting mindless jutsu fodder. No surprise there.
Rip you to pieces!
You can repent for your murder of Lord Orochimaru in the afterlife!
Miss! Rip you to pieces!
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
The seal. Lord Orochimaru.
Okay, what's next? Get out of my way.
Why, you? Do you realize what you've done?
I didn't come up here to waste my time with you.
Don't interfere!
You know you can't win. Unlock the seal.
Silence, murderer!
Don't interfere! Yuri Shark!
Why do they bother coming out just to die?
Rip you to pieces! Fire shot! Fireball jutsu!
You traitor.
I was never on your side to begin with. Now then, let's go. I don't have time to waste on all these small...
Hey, I think you're having too much fun.
Get lost, you eyesore.
I don't think so. I'm going to beat you and then I'll be free.
If you try to stop me, I'll just have to crush you too.
I'll use the curse mark.
Over here!
Once I crush you, I'll be free!
Over here! Over here!
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
Over here!
The pests are exterminated. Now to find Suigetsu. Here you are. Suigetsu, I'm getting you out of here.
Mission complete.
When I heard all that commotion, I should have known you were behind it. I take it then you've killed Orochimaru.
Yeah. Here, let's get you out of that thing.
I'm free at last. My thanks, Sasuke.
Suigetsu, you're my first recruit. Come with me.
With you? I guess. Since you saved me and all, I can't refuse to go with you, but what for?
For now, just shut up and follow. I'll tell you in time.
Well, you can at least tell me where we're headed now.
We're going to the southern and then the northern hideouts.
Oh, so that means we must be...
Right. I'm taking 2 more with me. Karin and Jugo.
I'm not real big on those 2. We might not all get along real well, just to let you know.
You don't need to be friends. Just cooperate.
Okay, I'll try. So, where to first?
We're going to the southern hideout first, to see Karin.
That woman. I don't really care much for her.